Hello there. I am Ismail from Pearl Lemon, and today we are going to be looking at near me searches and how to optimize for them. Now, many searchers think adding near me is the only way to trigger local results in Google. In reality, Google often interprets implicit local intent even when near me isn't included. For example, if someone searches for coffee shop, Google will often show results based on the user's location, not just generic pages. In this lesson, we'll explore how search engines determine local relevance, what signals they use, and how SEO can take advantage of these patterns. Search engines classify local intent as either implicit or explicit. Explicit queries directly mention a location or near me. Implicit queries don't mention location but indicate local intent. For example, someone searching for best dentist is likely looking for a dentist nearby, not across the country. Understanding the difference helps SEOs optimize content and signals to capture local traffic. Google uses multiple signals to determine where a searcher is located and which businesses or pages are most relevant. Some of the signals include the IP address of the user, a business's Google business profile and associated map listing, the name, address, phone number consistency of the business across the web, and the reviews and local backlinks. SEO strategies for local pages must ensure these signals are accurate and strong. When ranking local results, Google considers proximity to the searcher, but also the authority of the business. Sometimes a highly authoritative brand can outrank a closer small business if users are likely to trust that brand. So the fact that you are a local business doesn't mean that you should slouch on your SEO. However, for most local searches, being nearby still has strong influence, especially if multiple similar businesses compete. This balance is why local SEO requires both accurate location signals and authority building efforts like reviews and local citations. Ensure your Google business profile is complete and accurate to take advantage of local intent. The next thing you need to do is include local keywords in your page titles, headings, and content naturally. Build local backlinks and citations from trusted websites. And lastly, encourage customers to leave reviews, which boost authority and relevance. These steps help your pages appear for both explicit and implicit local searches. Now, to summarize, local intent is not only triggered by near me queries. Search engines combine location signals, page relevance, and authority to determine which results are most useful locally. By optimizing your local SEO signals, you can capture traffic from both explicit and implicit local searches, giving your business a strong presence in nearby search results. If you found this content to be useful, please make sure to like, comment, and share. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.